Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. The Mercedes G65 Kids Ride On Car is not for the faint-hearted. Made of super tough and durable plastic, you can be totally confident in its outstanding design and safety. It even has real engine sounds, just start it up and hear it roar. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, functioning horn, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. Padded leather style seats. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at riiroosquad.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.